with my Maggie in Florida. And we're going thrifting. Hopefully we'll find some stuff. It's kind of cute. Very vintage. Little boys section. And I really hope these shorts fit. I think they're so cute. Look at this cool vanity with a chair and like these cute little accents. I think that's so cute. If I lived here, I would very highly consider buying this. So cute. Favorite aisle. Cute little baskets. And all the wood stuff. I think this is really cute for some reason. This little milk jug. I can't tell if I like this one or not. I think the print is super cute. I just don't like love. It's like baby doll style. I think the print is really cute. All the little florals on it. There's Cinderella we found. When you come thrift shopping with kids, you have to hide in the stalls so that you can nurse. Okay, check this out. I was gonna make one of these, but it's like already there. What did you find? You found a book?
Yeah.
And a Big Girls Use the Potty. Okay, nice. And Minnie Mouse?
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you.
Okay. I'm pretty sure this is from Target.
Wait.
I will take it. So cute. We found a maraca. Huh. Shake, shake, shake. Apple pie. Cute. I think that's a cute sweatshirt. I don't think I want to pay $5 for it though. But I do want to go to Stowe, Vermont. We got the goods. Okay, I am back now and I just want to do a quick little haul to show you guys some of the goodies that I picked up from the thrift store. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys, I am seriously so excited about this. I'm kind of bummed that it's now fall and I won't be able to wear these much longer, but these shorts were from the little boy section. Like no tag or anything. I have no idea where they're from. They were $3 and it's just like these denim elastic band shorts, but they are the comfiest things. I think they're so cute. Just like little boy long shorts, but I am obsessed with these. Best $3 I've ever spent. Okay, the next thing was kind of like a last minute grab on my way out, and it's this J. Crew floral button-down long sleeve shirt. And I am not really a fan of these types of shirts. I just don't really wear them. But it caught my eye because I know this fabric, because this is a Liberty of London fabric. And it's really expensive. Like, to buy a yard of this fabric is like 30 bucks. This was $5. So I grabbed it, not to wear as a shirt, but to use the fabric. So we're going to take this shirt and do a little thrift flip on it. I'm still trying to decide what exactly I want to make. For sure, I want to make a couple bows for Hallie for her hair. I think just the print is super cute. It's like this just floral print. I also think it may be cute to have a matching tie for my husband. So like when we go to church, him and her can match. I think that would be super cute. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe there'll be enough to like make a matching tie and some bows, and we'll just have to see. I'll have to chop it up and see what I can work with. But I'm excited about this. Okay, next. So I went to a thrift store up near my house here in Chicago, and it was kind of a smaller Goodwill, but it was the most organized Goodwill I've ever been to. Like, it was really fun shopping there. They didn't have like a ton of stuff, but it was so well organized that it was easy to find things. So they had a really good basket aisle, and you guys know I love my baskets. So we got some fun goodies from there. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was this giant tray. There were 3 of them. This size, a little bit smaller, and then a little bit smaller. And I figured I probably didn't need all 3, but they were really, really cute. So I picked up the largest one for $1.99 to like go on my coffee table. And I think this would be so cute, like with a candle and like a little vase with some eucalyptus in it, maybe a book. But I really like the little handles on it and that it's wicker, so I thought that was super cute. Next, I saw this cute little basket, also $1.99. And I don't know, this basket is just like so sturdy and well made. I like that it has a handle, but it doesn't like go so high up like normal like Easter basket type looking. I liked that this was shallower because I think this will be like a really good storage basket. So I'm thinking I have a bunch of stuff in here that honestly needs to be organized, so I may just keep this in my office for like my desk or just like craft supplies, or this could go well in my bathroom to hold like all my beauty stuff. But I just thought this was just a good little storage basket. The next thing I was so excited to see, because I know this is from Target because I've seen it there. 99 cents. This was $1. This cutie little vase. And yeah, I was just super excited to find this because I actually have some vases from this collection that Target had, but I don't have this one, so just thought it was so cute. For fall, it'd be so cute to put like little like wheatgrass or something out of this. So cute. Okay, next basket is this one, and again, it's like super sturdy and well made, and I thought this one would be cute for either, there's a bunch of hair in here. Ooh. Ugh, that's really gross actually. I'll have to clean this out. Anyway, I thought this would be cute for either like in the bathroom to hold like toilet paper or something, or I may actually put a plant in this because I have a plant that this would be a good size for, I think. Okay, the last thing that I got that I am super excited about, I don't really know what to do with it, but I just thought it was so cool that I couldn't not buy it. This big basket, like look how big it is. It's a little bit wonky, like a little bit off-centered, like it doesn't like sit straight like a basket, like it kind of sits like this where it kind of opens up a little bit. It's made in the Philippines, so I'm pretty sure this is like handmade, which is really cool. If you have any ideas of what I could use this for, please let me know in the comments, but I just thought it was really cute. I'm thinking of maybe like hanging it possibly in my office somewhere and like have a big plant out of it, or I don't know, maybe by my couch and put like my blankets in it. I don't know. If you have an idea of what to use for this giant basket, please let me know, but I just thought it was like super cool and I just couldn't pass it up. Okay, so that is everything that I got from Goodwill. I wanted to show the process of deconstructing that J. Crew shirt in case you want to know how that project turns out. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is just kind of cut that shirt to pieces, see what fabric I have to work with, and then make a few cute things out of it. For today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That helps me out a ton. Thank you for being here. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting me here on this channel. I just honestly love what I do and love that I can create content for you guys. So please, as always, let me know if you want to see anything specific or more specific types of videos. I'm super excited about fall and all the holidays coming up, so stay tuned for some fun videos there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!